What if I told you an Indian startup just challenged ChatGPT and Google Gemini? Not with hype, not with marketing, but with real AI models built for India. From Bengaluru's growing tech ecosystem, Sarvam AI has released new models that reportedly outperform global giants in India specific AI tasks. But is this really true or just another headline? Today, on The Solo Engineer, where tech meets reality, we break down what Sarvam AI has built, how powerful it really is, and why this could change India's AI future. What is Sarvam AI? Sarvam AI is one of India's most ambitious AI startups. Founded by top AI researchers and backed by major global investors, the company is building large language models, voice AI systems, and enterprise AI infrastructure designed specifically for India. Their core vision is simple but powerful: build sovereign AI for India. That means AI trained on Indian data, AI supporting Indian languages, AI hosted within India, AI for Indian enterprises and government. Instead of relying completely on US based models like ChatGPT or Gemini, India wants its own AI ecosystem. And Sarvam AI is one of the companies leading that mission. Recently, Sarvam launched two important models: Sarvam Vision, a multimodal AI model that understands images, documents, and visual data; Bulbul V3, a multilingual speech and language model optimized for Indian languages and accents. According to reports and internal benchmarks, these models outperformed some global AI systems in India focused tasks. Yes, that includes comparisons with ChatGPT and Google Gemini. But here's the key question: did Sarvam actually beat them globally? Not exactly. Let's break it down realistically. Indian language understanding. Most global AI models are trained heavily on English and Western datasets. But India is multilingual. People speak Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, English. Sarvam trained its models specifically on Indian language data. So when users type or speak in mixed languages or regional dialects, Sarvam often understands context better. This makes a huge difference for customer support bots, regional content, government services, rural AI access. For India specific language tasks, Sarvam can sometimes outperform global models. Voice AI for Indian accents. India is a voice first market. Millions of users prefer speaking rather than typing. Sarvam's Bulbul V3 focuses heavily on Indian accent recognition, multilingual speech, speech to speech AI, real time voice assistants. Global AI models are improving, but many are still optimized for US or European accents. For call centers, banking voice bots, telecom automation, regional voice assistants, Sarvam has a strong advantage. Document and image understanding for India. Sarvam Vision is designed for Indian use cases like government forms, local invoices, IDs and documents, mixed language PDFs, street signs, and regional text. Global models can read documents, but Sarvam is trained specifically on Indian formats and datasets. That makes it more practical for enterprises, government ecosystem, banking and insurance workflows. Data sovereignty advantage. Many Indian companies and government organizations worry about sending sensitive data outside the country. Sarvam offers AI hosted in India, local compliance, private deployment options, enterprise security. This gives it a major edge in enterprise adoption. Enterprise AI infrastructure. Sarvam is not just building a chatbot, it wants to become the AI infrastructure layer for India. That includes LLM APIs, voice AI stack, enterprise copilots, government AI assistants, private AI deployment. Think of it like an Indian version of OpenAI and enterprise AI stack combined. Reality check. Now let's keep it real because this channel is about reality, not hype. Sarvam AI has not beaten ChatGPT or Gemini in overall intelligence. For advanced reasoning, coding, deep research, complex problem solving, global knowledge, models from OpenAI and Google are still ahead. Sarvam's advantage is localization, not raw intelligence. So when headline says Sarvam beats ChatGPT, what they really mean is it performs better in India specific tasks like language, voice and documents. That's still impressive, but context matters. Why this matters for India? This is bigger than one startup. India wants to become an AI superpower. Until now, most advanced AI has come from US companies, China, big tech giants. If Sarvam and similar startups succeed, Indian enterprises may rely less on foreign AI, government services could run on local AI, startups can build on Indian AI platforms, India could export AI to other emerging markets. We may see a future where every region builds its own AI ecosystem US, China, Europe, and India. Sarvam is one of the first serious steps in that direction. Future of Sarvam AI. If Sarvam continues improving its model, it could become the AI backbone of Indian enterprises, a major player in voice AI, a leader in multilingual AI, possibly India's OpenAI equivalent. The global AI race is just getting started, and India has officially entered the competition. So here's the big question. Can India build a global AI giant that competes with OpenAI and Google? And will Sarvam AI lead that revolution? Comment your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into real world tech, subscribe to The Solo Engineer. Catch you in the next story on The Solo Engineer, where tech meets real life. Thank you.